Hey guys, welcome back to It's Priscilla Marie. Today I wanted to do a tutorial that has been highly requested here on YouTube and also on my Instagram and in real life. Before I get started, as you probably already know from the title, I just want to address, I know my eyebrows are not for everybody, and I know about 9 out of 10 people actually hate them because they are red and they're not natural. Now, I am a makeup artist and I feel like makeup is an art, so I don't try to look natural. If I did, I wouldn't have red hair for one, and for two, I wouldn't have red eyebrows. So if you want to just know how I do my red eyebrows, just go ahead and keep on watching. If you don't, and you know this isn't what you like, just go ahead and exit out. I really don't care. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao! Alright, very quickly, I do want to say I use the NYX Vivid Brights in Bad Blood. I use the concealer from NARS in Macadamia, and I use the Makeup Forever Eyebrow Sculpting Pen in the shade 30. Alright, I'm going to start out by outlining the top of my eyebrow. I'm just honestly outlining my natural brow hairs. And then I go ahead and start filling in the outer edge. Then I go in to the middle of my eyebrow at the beginning, and I go ahead and fill in. I don't fill in the front part because I do still want it to look a little bit teeny tiny bit on a natural side to create a nice transition. So I go in with the Makeup Forever pencil and just draw my brow hairs going upwards. I do like doing like an auburn shade at the beginning of my eyebrow, just because I kind of think of it like my roots are deep and my eyebrows start out a little bit on the lighter side. I don't know, I just kind of transition it. I like having it like that. For some reason, I like how it looks, and I feel like it creates a nice smooth transition without me just having Sharpie red eyebrows by itself. And then I go ahead and just make sure everything is blended and it's a nice ombre look. Yep, just like that. I know they're not perfect, but I like them. And then I go ahead and clean that up with my NARS concealer. And I normally always apply my primer right underneath that before I start my eyeshadow. Just like that, nice and clean. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Mwah. Ciao.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear.